Hi, welcome to my channel, welcome back, thank you for joining me for this video. Today I want to share with you a couple of items, actually a couple of things from Balmain and a little piece from Swarovski which I got recently. So I just want to quickly share it with you, so let's get into it. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff we women enjoy, please consider joining my anonymous shopaholic club down below so we stay in this addiction together. Today I have a little haul for you, and it's mostly Balmain, and it's actually like a couple of items which I intend to keep and one which I'm supposed to send back, and also a Swarovski item. So should we maybe start with the Swarovski just quickly, because it's a little thing. I bought a little treat in Swarovski for myself, which I have been eyeing for like a very long time, and I never dared to spend money on that because it's like a little, you know, it's actually becoming typical for me to spend money on silly items which cost a lot of money. If not all of the luxury is actually a lot of money spent in silly way, but some of the purchases are sillier than others, right? So this is one of those, and I was always thinking that should be my Christmas gift, or like, you know, somebody should give it to me. But it was on sale, so I end up getting it. I think Swarovski is actually going toward being like more luxury brand, and I was actually twice close to buying their jewelry, and thank God I asked if it's silver, because it's not. And if it's not silver, I'm not paying a couple of €100 for a piece. No, thank you. But anyway, so what I actually got, it came in this beautiful, you know, little cute packaging, and with a ribbon. So that's, I think they're heading towards the luxury. They try to be perceived as luxury, I think. And I got a pen. Yes, that's why I think it's really silly and really funny. But you know, me and my agendas, and like I like to have those fancy moments. So I got finally a pen with Swarovski crystals, and I went for the one that had quite a big amount of crystals. Some of them, they would have like this crystal portion shorter. I went for this one because I like the design. I also like this, you know, like it was, some of them were more like a squarish, more like cylinder. I did like the shape, and I also like that this actually closes like that. So if it's in my handbag, if it's in the agenda, it's less likely that, you know, accidentally would be pressed or something and it will, you know, stain. So I bought this gift for myself. Like I said, like I always thought I want to have one of those pens, or maybe like one for each of my agendas. But I always thought it's quite a lot of money for what it is. And I think this one was €60 and it was on a discount. I think I actually picked one that was not so heavily discounted, because they were from €35, but I think I paid 48. So yeah, I ended up picking the most expensive one, I guess. But that's why I ended up buying it. Like, you know, a discount is always a good excuse to buy. And now let's move to Balmain. I have 3 items, but one item is supposed to go back, but we will get into it. These are Balmain heels, and these are the heels that I died for. I really loved them. I saw them like 6 months ago in Warsaw, and then I was eyeing them on Farfetch. I really wanted to buy them, but I couldn't excuse like nearly €700 on these kind of heels, like, you know, and I knew that Balmain goes on sale, so I was like, no, you shouldn't do that, you shouldn't do that. And I was thinking, oh, if it's meant to happen, it will happen. And yes, that was the right approach, because it was meant to happen, and it happened in Italy. So maybe I will show you the shoes, and yeah, if you watch my channel, you will know which shoes are these. But I couldn't believe, because they are like, they are on Farfetch, but they are not that cheap. Like there is like a little discount on them, and on Luisa Via Roma they are all sold out. Quite on that Polish website, I think they're also either not on sale or sold out. Like, no, my size is sold out for sure, and they're not on sale. So I was really shocked when I found them, and actually it was my size. It was like half size less than I would like to have, but it's okay. So let's get into it. So ladies and gentlemen, I managed to score those beautiful, amazing, fabulous, gorgeous shoe, the heel from Balmain with the Balmain pattern. Let me get the other one as well. So these, here they are. This is how they look front, then the side. Oh, they have even the extra heel and the papers. So they have, I think I should show you one, and actually one of them still has like the plastic under. So yeah, this is maybe one shoe is enough for the tour, the gold heel. And I like this material because I think it won't be scratchy. I think it's actually very, you know, a good idea. However, I don't think I will spend a lot of time in those shoes. Like, you know, they are the shoes, walk to the car, walk to restaurant, look pretty and go home. So these are the heels, and let me tell you the story. So I was in Italy, in Napoli, and I was walking and I saw this kind of department store, like unknown one. I don't know the brand of that, you know, like I have never seen it, but there were some Balmain things. And I was like, oh, I will walk in. And I actually asked them first if they have, I will just keep the shoes for the eye candy. I asked them if they have some more Balmain. I was actually hoping for the shoes maybe, or for the bags. There were two hobo bags that I was thinking, a pink or a black. They said something to me that man is on the first floor. I'm like, okay, whatever. Then I actually ended up walking deeper into that store. And then in one place I saw these heels and there was no sale written on them. There was like nothing. And I saw them and I was like, okay, like no, they are not on sale. Nothing is on sale here. But I will ask. I was like, okay, I will ask. It doesn't hurt. And I asked somebody there, like, what's the price of the shoes? And then he went there and he said like, oh, they are actually on sale with extra discount and they are 340 euro. Which size do you have? So I got them in 37. I was set for 37.5 when I tried them earlier. 38 was too loose and 37.5, I thought that was the right thing. And when I said 37, I was like, I will not fit into them for sure. But like, please bring them, let me see them. I was thinking, there's no way I'm getting into these shoes, especially it's hot and my feet were probably swollen. I was like, no way. But then guess what? I put them in and like it's tight, you know, they are very like, you know, hugging my feet very well, but I can walk in them because they're not too short. If the length is okay, I think it's possible. And I had I still have a gold heel from Michael Kors, which I also bought with this condition that they were very tight, but they were not too short. Like I thought it was like, you know, half size smaller than I should have. And after some time when they stretched, they are like the most amazing heels. They just fit like gloves. They stay on my feet because very often my heels would just go off here, which is really annoying. So I was like, it seems like the same case. So I will have to endure some pain to stretch them and to like, you know, make them comfortable for me. But after that, they should be really, really great. And guess what? You know, these shoes and my Louis Vuitton Alma, look at this match. This is just match made in heaven. And after I tried actually these shoes a few months ago with this bag, I really couldn't get this shoe out of my head, but I was thinking it's too much for shoes that are just mostly occasion shoe or like very short time. So yeah, like I said, it was meant for me to happen, and like I think I just attracted the shoe and the discount to them. So with the tax free which I'm getting, I should have them for 300 euro out of like 690. So I'm over the moon having them. Aren't they just everything? I don't know, I just love them. I really love the pattern. I love the pink. I love that there is 2 shades of pink. I love that they have very classic style, like they are very classic design, nothing crazy about them except the color. It's just perfection. And the next couple of items are here. I ordered them from Luisa Via Roma, and I said one of them is supposed to go back, but now I have a little tough time to send one of them back. So let's get into it. So, okay, there are this way, so I'll show you this way. I already, of course, opened and tried them and recorded like those little videos to show you the fit. And these are Balmain sweatshirts. And I intended to go the pink one, but basically how I found them, it was from Sophie Sohet, and she talked about them that they were 50% off on Luisa Via Roma. And I went and checked that and was like, oh, they are actually something above 500 euro. So there were like 260, 250, something like that on that 50% discount. And I was like, no, I'm going for the pink. I love the pink. And but Sophie was wearing a taupe or like kind of beige color. And I was thinking, well, now I'm in Poland, I can actually send it back. So I want to see that taupe. So I ordered 2 of them. So let's get them both. So that's the pink one, the pink which will actually match the shoe. I hope you can see the shoe behind me. The shoe and the actually Louis Vuitton Alma. So like that's a, you know, match made in heaven. And I think the pink is really, really my color. Of course, I tried them, so I'm showing you the videos next to, so you can have a proper look on them. So this was what I was quite sure I'm getting, and the beige one I wanted to try, I wanted to see, because I start to like this kind of, you know, nude um, sweaters or the nude clothing idea, which are not like a warm tone, but this one is like it's called taupe. The color is called taupe, and it's really not a warm tone. It's really like this kind of cold or cool beige, and I actually didn't expect it would be like this. And I wanted to have it like, you know, just to try it and have a look. You know, sometimes do you have it like that, like this? Because sometimes I just want to have things to try them on. Like I would sometimes order stuff from Zara just to try it at home, walk around, see how it feels, and then I don't need it anymore. Like I really have some weird thing like that. Sometimes it's just enough for me to try it, walk around, and okay, I'm good. So that was the reason why I ordered this one. I wanted to see the taupe on Sophie, because Sophie had that taupe, that beige color, and I did like it on her, but I did not like it. Oh, I thought I will not like it for myself because I'm very pale, and at the moment I have like, you know, maybe 1 or 2 shades, a little bit of tan because it's summer and I am, you know, in Europe, not in Iceland. Not too much, not much actually, but a little. And I was like, that's for the, you know, people that have some color on their face. I'm white, really white, so it's not gonna work for me. But when I tried it on with makeup, and especially when I put a little bit more bronzer yesterday, I was like, oh my goodness, I cannot send it back. Like, I like it so much. And even my mom was saying that this beige is so nice, and she actually prefers the beige over the pink. My sister-in-law said that pink is much better for me, and I actually feel like, you know, pink is my color. Like, I think my, you know, beauty type is more for the bright, strong colors. So I was like, you know, the pink for sure is staying, but now I have a really... Should I? The question is not which ones I should send back, but if I should send any of them back. I saw on Louisa Veroma they are on sale now, and there's extra discount on the sales in items, so they are like really 50% off at least. And they are also available on Farfetch, so I will link them below below the video so you can check them out. I think it's a really, really good, like, you know, designer buy, because it's 200 euro for a designer sweatshirt, which I think is pretty good. I didn't expect it will be that cheap. I expected maybe 800 euro, like the, you know, starting price. So I was thinking that's a really, really nice buy for the designer stuff. So tell me, what do you think? Should I send it back, the beige one, or should I keep it? Let me know. I have hard time. That's all for the video. Let me know what you think. Should I send that beige one back, or should I keep it? How do you feel? Does it look okay on me, or is it, you know, like washes me off? I should get rid of it. Please let me know. If you want to buy them, just grab them as soon as possible, because I think they are selling out very quickly, especially now that while they are on a discount. And also there are new colors for, like, you know, I think white, black, and red. I think they are for the new season. You might check them out. Really, really nice hoodies, good quality, and as I said, the price is pretty okay. So let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye, guys.